Make sure this thing didn't turn on. Yep, it does say record. Go in. And we're just testing out the old Sony hand cam here compared to the GoPro. Here we go. Look at the mini. That was a little bit. You can see some of those. How far up are we? Come down a little bit. I'll put the in the.
Oh, we're on deck 8, so 20 feet anyway?
2 or 3 high.
Yeah.
We're higher now, aren't we?
25? From the water line. Yeah. And show the how we're plowing into the waves. Very, very stable. As you can see, my arms are resting on the railing here, and you don't see any movement really. Let's see over there though.
With the change in color, we'll be able to see the differences from this old camera that's supposed to be 4K 30 and this the GoPro. See if it's any better or any worse. Sensors are actually the sensor for the Handycam that the sound no longer works.
Yep.
The sensor is actually smaller than the stack sensor.
Yep. And we'll be able to hear wind noise on the GoPro. I have an anemometer app on my phone, and I'm going to look at it after we get done videoing. But earlier it was 24.9 miles per hour, the winds. And the seas were 3.2 meters, which is close to 7. Closely spaced, so this is sporty out here. Look, you get the beautiful color of the water being churned up. Love that. Absolutely love seeing that when we're on a cruise. That beautiful blue. I'll look over this way a little bit. It is definitely sporty. But again, we're blessed with a beautiful day. The sun is in and out of the clouds. As you can see, it's out of the clouds right now. Don't see any other ships right now. Just a lovely day on the Norwegian Getaway.
Big difference. Don't turn it off. Even though it's so nice to feel, tell what the heck I'm feeling. It looks straight, kind of. Yeah. Going out there.
I'll turn that off now. Which would be nothing, probably. What a beautiful day. We are at the aft end of the Norwegian Getaway. Our first cruise ship, by the way, almost 3 years ago. We're on deck 8, and you can walk all the way around on this beautiful walkway. It's been so windy, we haven't seen any birds either. Usually we see gulls and frigate birds, terns, nothing like that. Not today.